If you want to know the 4 steps to naturally get rid of nail fungus, just follow this video to the end. But before that, click below on the subscription button and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Alain Dutra, a physician with 25 years of career and international training. I serve patients online in Portuguese, English, and Spanish. Fungal infections that appear on the skin are some of the most common infections in humans. Few know that the symptoms of toenail fungus can actually be a sign of candida and other fungi in the body. With changes in diet, supplements, and certain essential oils, you can treat and eliminate the main cause of toenail fungus, even if you have been struggling with it for years. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to quickly and permanently get rid of nail fungus. Nail fungus, also known by doctors as onychomycosis, is very common, with estimates showing that approximately 3 to 12% of the population to some degree suffers from these finger infections on hands or feet. Older people are more likely to have fungi than younger people, and people with compromised immune systems are more vulnerable. So what would be the causes of this problem, besides the obvious, that it is caused by fungi, a type of microorganism? Essentially, it is an imbalance between bad microorganisms and good bacteria in your body. Like in the case of other diseases resulting from gut-related problems, when you don't have enough good bacteria living inside you, you end up developing high levels of yeast and fungus, organisms that, if in excess in the body, will generate health problems, including on your skin and nails. In addition to intestinal health problems, other risk factors can result in nail infection. These are athlete's foot, contact with fungi in beauty salons, contaminated pools, gyms, saunas, and other humid environments, the nail bed that may have been damaged for some reason, such as trauma, wearing dirty or tight shoes, skin disorders like psoriasis, circulation problems in the legs, weakened immune system, and genetic predisposition. Unfortunately, conventional treatments for fungi involve the use of potent drugs that affect the liver and do not always solve the problem. Another disadvantage is the prolonged treatment time, which increases the possibility of side effects. Some medications used to kill nail fungi, which you may have already tried in the past, include itraconazole, fluconazole, or terbinafine. This can take 3 to 6 months to treat fungal nail infections. But even so, many people notice that the fungus returns afterward because the conditions that allowed its appearance in the first place, especially intestinal health, are still maintained. Well, then let's go to the 3 stages to naturally solve the problem. 1. Reduce sugar, flour, processed cereals, and grains. 2. Increase your intake of fiber and healthy fats. Consume protein moderately and from appropriate sources. 3. Consume fermented foods. 4. Use supplements such as probiotics, olive leaf extract, and essential oils of tea tree and oregano. Be sure to watch the full version of this video at the link in the first comment and description. The original video is in Portuguese, so activate the automatic translation of subtitles in English. You're great. A big hug and a kiss in your heart.